Hello again and welcome to my creative African cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. So I hope you guys are enjoying the rice series so far. Of course, it's all vegetarian and packed with natural flavors. Now, I started off with the fennel rice, which is so fragrant, and then I continued that with the lime rice, which is tangy, aromatic, and just packed with natural flavors. Now, the next recipe is going to be my garlic mushroom fried rice. Uzading, yes, flavor packed, absolutely, and a must try. A great idea for your packed lunches, by the way, and it's easy to make. Let's start. So I'm going to start off by using shiitake mushrooms for my recipe. You can use any other mushrooms that are available to you, but this is what I prefer. It's got more flavor to it. So my next ingredient is my finely chopped garlic pieces, and I used 6 cloves of garlic. The whole point of the dish is a garlic mushroom fried rice, so yes, one has to taste the garlic. And here I've got my yellow peppers that I've diced, and also I got my mild red chilies because I just want that residual heat. And that I've got some spring onions. So I've just mixed it all together, and I think I'm ready to do some chichis. You know what I mean? Now, to your wok, add your preferred oil. I'm using olive oil here. And it's best to use your normal olive oil, not the extra virgin olive oil. And that I'm adding my diced onions, yes. So I'm just going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes, just to allow that infusion to take place. And then I'm also going to chop some of my shiitake mushrooms, and I'm going to leave some whole because it's all about the texture as well. And I'm going to add that together and fry this gently for about 5 to 6 minutes. So for that moisture, I'm just adding about 2 tablespoonfuls of water, and that's just to offer that moisture. And I'm going to cover this because the steam is going to cook everything together. I want to trap in that flavor, you see. And at this point, you can see the mushroom is just cooking perfectly. This is the time that I do add my garlic pieces because I don't want it to burn. No, I want the flavors of the garlic to be nice and sweet and slightly crunchy, just so. See, it's not any other food, it's Ndudu by Fafa. Now quickly, I do add my vegetables as well because this is bish bash bosh, very easy to make. And I think at this point, I'm just going to add my rice because it's just going to all cook together. And yeah, less than about under 10 minutes, you've got your meal. This is not even a joke. The interesting thing about this dish is it's so aromatic, and because I've used the shiitake mushrooms, it has this umami flavor. You can taste the garlic, and the vegetables are crunchy. And that's the thing, I just maintain that. I just want it to look good. And of course, I've sprinkled some coriander in there, and that just works. And a little bit of spring onions. Now I'll leave you to this. Just salivate, or maybe try the recipe. I hope I've given you that reason to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet. And the notification button, so each time I upload a video, you're notified of it. Open your mouth, let me see if I can feed you. Did I just say that? Anyway. I will leave a link in my description box for the fennel rice, the lime rice, and of course, naturally I'm going to leave the list of ingredients and measurements on my blog for this recipe in ndudubyfafa.blogspot.com, so do check it out. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter as Ndudubyfafa to pass by and say hi. Until next time, Noel, thank you very much for my theme song. Me like it a lot, yes. Until next time, take care of you, be nice, be beautiful, be kind, and be your gorgeous self. Yes, thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to click that subscribe button now.